Hello and good morning. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial for how to use Desmos to find the mean and median of a data set and to sort the data set to help find the mode. All right, now for Desmos, what we want to do is bring up our interaction. So first thing we're going to have to do is add a table. Oh no, my interaction stopped. Give me 1 second. Let's get this going. There we go. So we have to click this little plus sign in the upper left-hand corner of Desmos for add item. And what we want to add is a table. All right, with our table added, what we're going to do now is type in our data set from number 2 here into the X column. So we have 2.5, 6.4, 7.0, 5.3, 1.1, 6.4, 3.5, 6.2, 3.9, and 4.0. All right, we have our data. Now we come over here to this second one, and we're going to type the word sort, S-O-R-T, put in a parenthesis, come up here, and then we're going to highlight the X subscript 1, copy that, and paste this right here. Bam! There's all of our 10 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we see is 6.4 appears twice, so the mode is 6.4. Now, mean and median, this gets really easy. We type in mean, parenthesis, and then paste again. So our mean is 7.78. And now we have to find the median. And all we do is type median, paste that in, and we have 5.75. Now, what makes this really useful is we can then keep our sort, mean, and median here and just go back and change the data. So if we go and delete all this down to our first data point, let's try number 2. No, let's do number 4 now. So we have 50, 30, 40, 10, 20, 80, 60, 90, 10, 30, 110, and 70. All right, we have all of our 12 elements. It tells us we have 12. We can sort them. Taking a look right here, sorting our elements for number 4. We see 30 appears twice. No other number appears twice, so that's going to be the mode. And it automatically does the mean and median for us from that first time we type this out. So we see the mean is 50 and the median is 45. And that's it. Thank you so much. Again, Desmos is built into your Chromebooks, so please use Desmos. This will help you solve quite a few problems, and now you don't have to sort data out. You just type in your data set and let technology do the rest. Thank you.